Welcome back to my channel, Simply Pinang TV. Our feature for today is the health benefits of guava plants. Guava lower diabetes. Consumption of guava leaf is known to reduce postprandial blood glucose elevation, which therefore prevents type 2 diabetes mellitus. Guava helps boost your immunity. Guava is rich in vitamin C and help boost immunity levels that prepare your body to fight common infection. And pathogen also more vitamin C help in good sight. Guava helps in keeping your heart healthy. Guava fruits contains a high amount of sodium and potassium that helps the body to balance and regulate high blood pressure. Guava relieves menstrual cramps. Taking guava leaf extracts daily significantly reduces the intensity of menstrual cramping pain. The anti-inflammatory effect of guava leaves provide of natural ways to case period. May benefits your digestive system. Guava are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Eating more guavas may aid healthy bowel movements and prevents constipation. Guava leaf extract is antimicrobial. This means it can neutralize harmful microbes in your gut that can cause diarrhea. May aid weight loss. Boost metabolism to enhance fat burning, suppresses appetite and overeating, support weight management efforts. Eating guavas is good for the skin. The wide range of vitamins and antioxidants packed into a guava may work wonders in your skin. Its antioxidants may protect your skin from damage, which can slow down its aging process, helping prevent wrinkles. Guava leaf extract may help treat acne when applied directly to your skin. Mga kaalaman tungkol sa bayabas bilang halamang gamot. Mga sakit na maaring malunasan ng bayabas kagaya ng ulcer. Ang pagkakaroon ng ulcer sa sikmura ay matutulungan mapagaling na mas mabilis sa tulong ng pag-inom sa pinaglagaan ng dahon ng bayabas. Pamamaga ng gilagid. Magmugmog sa pinaglagaan ng ugat at balat ng kahoy ng bayabas. Makakatulong din ang panguya ng murang dahon ng bayabas. Rayuma. Ang pagtatapal ng dinikdik na dahon ng bayabas sa mga apektadong bahagi ng katawan ay makakakabawas sa sakit dulot ng rayuma. Hirap sa pagdumi. Ang bunga ng bayabas na ginawang chili ay makakatulong sa pagpapadali sa pagdumi. Epilepsy. Ang katas ng dinikdik na dahon ng bayabas ay mabisa din sa pagpapahupa ng sintomas ng epilepsy. Bagong tuli. Kilalang ginagamit ang pinagnguyaan ng dahon ng bayabas sa mabilis na pagpapagaling ng sugat sa bagong tuli. Bagong panganak. Pinaglagaan ng dahon ng bayabas sa paghuhugas sa puwerte ng babae na bagong panganak. Makakatulong ito sa mas madaling paghilom ng sugat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more videos. God bless us all.